Hello there, welcome back. Today, using circles, I will tell you how to draw the birds family easily. So, grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw 4 circles of different sizes using a pencil. After drawing the circles, now I am gonna draw the feet and the wings to every circle. Use any black pen or a black sketch or a black marker to draw them. After drawing the feet and the wings, now I am gonna draw the eyes, eyebrows and also the nose. Now let's draw the eyes, eyebrows, nose in every circle. So, after drawing the eyes, eyebrows and the nose, now let's draw the outline of the circle. Erase the pencil traces and then let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.